Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the Twix Google Classes. If you're running Google Ads, knowing the right bidding strategy is key to getting the best results. So in this video, I'll break down different bidding strategies, when to use them, and how to choose the best one for your campaign. So let's get started for the main Google Ads topic, bidding strategies. So what is bidding? So bidding in Google Ads is the process of setting the amount you are willing to pay for a click, impressions, or conversions. It determines how much you will spend to show your ad in search results or in the other Google platforms. So bidding is nothing but how much you are going to pay or willing to pay for a customer. If you have a data, you can bid. If you don't have a data, we can go to maximize settings and we'll know why bidding is important. So bidding directly impacts about the ad placement. How much you bid more, your ads will be showing in the top of the ad placement. Like if you bid for a 40 rupees and the highest bid is of 80 rupees and your bid may shown in the second place, the person who is bidded for 80 rupees will show into the sponsored ad in the top, always top. So bidding is very cost effective. Choosing the right bid strategy helps control spending. And bidding as conversions. So how optimize your bid ensures better results at a lower cost. So there are two types of bidding. One is manual bidding and automated bidding. So I'll give a brief overview about it now. So manual bidding is you set bids for each keyword or ad group, offering more control but require continuous adjustment. Like you need to give your bid and change regularly upon the data you get. So next one is automated bidding. Here Google adjusts bids based on AI and user behavior to maximize clicks, conversion, and return on ad spend. It saves time but gives less direct control. Means every bid is directed by Google only. You just need to give command to Google like maximize my conversions or maximize my impressions or clicks. And what are the best Google bidding strategies? So the first one is awareness. So awareness, and we use this mostly CPM, cost per thousand. It's not M means thousand in the in digital terms, so we say cost per thousand as cost per M. It's for thousand viewable impressions. It's maximally used for YouTube videos. So if thousand members watch a video, we are going to pay. So that is called viewable CPM. The second one bidding strategy is traffic. Here there's one type is maximus clicks and one other is cost per click. So maximus clicks, it's auto bids for most clicks. For cost per click, we need to set the budget amount, like for this bit I'm going to pay this much, for this bit I'm going to pay this much. So we have to play with keywords and maximize our bids. And a third bidding strategy is leads or app downloads. Here also we have two types. One is maximize conversions, which Google does automatically for auto bids, and second one is target cost per acquisition. Here we need to acquisite the people how much we want. So we need to bid to achieve a set cost per head. Like we need to bid like 50 rupees, there will be a one app download. For 80 rupees, there will be two apps downloads. So we need to set the target cost per acquisition. And the fourth type of bidding strategy is search ad usability. So I've said that they are like in a search ad, when you see the first ad sponsor ad is called absolute top, and the next, second, third, fourth is called always on top, and the rest down you see in the 10th position, ninth position are called anywhere on the page. So this is the way of search ads targeting positions. So to target that impression share, we need bidding strategy to ensure ads appear at a percent of search volume. So if we keep always on top, we'll be getting our ad in the first position. If we keep anywhere on the page, we can it may come into any position. We come to 10th page, fourth page, second page also. We cannot guarantee about the first page. And yes, and next bidding strategy is video ads. Is cost per view. Means for cost per view, we give optimized views for at a lower cost. For this views, I'll be paying this much. Yes. So in sales, and the last research is about sales. In sales, we maximize conversion value focuses on total revenue, like target on return on ad spends, like bids for a set return on ad spend. It's about sales. Like if we get a bid, then conversion about that bid and divided by return on ad spend. It's a long process about sales. And what are the options available in bidding? And yes, all options bidding available are manual cost per click, enhance cost per click, maximize clicks, maximize conversions, target cost per acquisition, target return on ad spend, target impression share, viewable cost per thousand, cost per view, maximize conversion value. So these are the types of bidding options. And whenever you go into different type of search ad or different types of objective, you will be getting a different type of sets of bidding options. So in this all are the common things which you can see in total Google Ads history. And if you see in search ad, you will be getting maximize clicks, maximize conversions, and target impression share. Where in video you will see viewable cost per thousand, cost per view, and in other display ad you can get maximize conversion value, return on ad spend, or the manual CPC. Yes, it's varies differently for every type of ads. And choosing the right bidding strategy is the main important thing you need to do. So when to choose manual CPC and when to choose automated billing. So which strategy is best? So for brand awareness, you can choose target impression share. For website traffic objective, you can choose maximize clicks. For lead generation objective, you can target cost per acquisition. For e-commerce sales, you can do target return on ad spend. For general conversions, you can do maximize conversions. So I recommend you to start with a automated bid, then you'll getting a result for 2 3 days. So based on that result, take the cost per click or cost per acquisition cost, and from the fourth day start applying manual cost per click way. So in this it reduces the money and it gives you maximized sales. So some pro tips for optimizing your business: start with manual cost per acquisition and shift to smart bidding. Set realistic cost per acquisition and return on ad spend goals. Test different bidding strategies for better performance. Use bid adjustment for devices, locations, and time of the day. And yes, and for every day, you can change your location, you can change your time of date. For to view in a mobile, you can increase the bit. For reduce the visibility of the desktop, you can also decrease bit. There are many types you can increase and decrease bit. So let's see where all you can do this types of bidding in Google Ads. So let's go to the Google Ads account. So let's select any one. I'm selecting this one as sales and settings. It's a search type. Here you can all see like this is a search ad, this is a display ad, this is a video ad. These types of emojis or logos is very useful for understanding which type of ad your campaign is performing. Okay, let's see. Yes, so here we have the campaign subject, campaign status, and this is all about budget, dates, and bid strategies. And here for a YouTube ad, this is you can see it's a video ad. And for video ad, we have bid strategy of maximize conversions and target cost per acquisition. Like we can pick app downloads or sign ups, or we can accurate the persons. These are some bits available for video ad, and these are the bits which are not available for this campaign. For my particular campaign, which I have chosen for sales, it's not available, but it will be available for awareness or different types of objective, which are cost per vision or cost per thousand or CPM, those viewable cost per thousand only. So these are the some types of bidding strategies available in the Google Ads. And yes, that's for today, guys, about Google Ads bidding strategies. The right bidding strategies can maximize your results and reduce your costs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Ad tutorials. Let me know in the comments what topics you are want next. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, take care.